Meron ka rin bang Manny Pacquiao mindset? Kung saan, mas the more kang hinahamon ng buhay, mas the more kang tumatapang. If you are, I tell you, you are meant for something amazing. You are meant for something great. So, padayon lang. But if you're someone who wants to have that Pac-Man mindset, it's something that you can learn. By being extra courageous and brave every time may mga problemang dumarating sa buhay mo, may mga challenges, may mga circumstances na hindi mo inaasahan pero wala kang magagawa kasi it's out of our control. It's out of your control. The best thing to do is practice being relaxed and grounded. Kasi the usual, pag meron tayong problema, ang unang aatake is yung fear. Yung takot ng unknown. Anong pwedeng mangyari pag ganito, ganyan, ganon, ganito, ba? Diba? Ang pinaka-the best is to ground yourself, relax, take a deep breath. 6 of that physiological sigh will automatically reset you. So, relax and go back to your breathing. Do know that everything is solvable. And kung hindi man solvable today, maybe tomorrow. If not, maybe next week or maybe next month. Pero tandaan lang na there's always a solution to every problem. Kasi etong mga problema na kinakaharap at na-experience ng bawat isa sa atin, mapamayaman ka man o hindi, mapasikat ka man o hindi, lahat tayo pare-pareho na may mga pinagdadaanan. Just always keep in mind na malalagpasan lang to. As long as naniniwala ka na meron talagang solusyon. Kasi meron talagang solusyon para sa lahat eh. As long as andyan yung mindset mo, at saka yung tibay ng pananalig mo towards the higher force na nag-guide sa path mo, magiging okay ka lang. Alright? So, Pac-Man mindset the more tayong hinahamon, dapat mas the more lang tayong tumatapang. Look at Manny Pacquiao now. Dahil sa mindset na yon. Look at where he is now. Ibang level ang quantum jumping na ginawa ni Manny. Just by having that mindset and, belief towards his capacity. Much love. This is E of iNet Radio. Have a great day and pleasant day ahead. Mwah.